Hey everyone! In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to multiply columns in Excel. Let's get started. Here's a spreadsheet with some fictional products with their selling price and quantity sold. To find out what the total sales are, I'll need to multiply the selling price by the quantity sold. I'll begin with highlighting cell E3 and then enter the following formula. I'll start with equals. This means I want to enter a formula. Then I'll enter the first value, the selling price, which is in cell C3. I can either type in the cell name, or I can highlight it with my mouse. I'll now add the multiplication symbol, which is the asterisk, which is Shift plus the 8 key. And then I'll add the second value, which is the quantity sold. That's in cell D3. You can see the cells that make up the formula are highlighted with red and blue. I'll click enter, and now we have the total sales of the Cheesy Poofs is $33.15. I don't need to redo the formula for each row. Instead, I can highlight the one I've already done and hover over the bottom right corner with my mouse until I see my mouse pointer turn into a plus sign. I can then double click and the formula is automatically applied to the remaining rows. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps share my videos to others who are interested in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching and have an excellent day.